Come and join IMAGO, International Mathematical Advanced Geometry Olympiad. This competition will be held on March 26, 2022, online, in bilingual format of English and Indonesian language. Contact the competition committee through WhatsApp before 22nd of March to register.
Hey everyone, here's the question for today's video. What is the area of the white region if the line of AB is equal to 14 cm? Pause the video if you want to answer it first. To solve this question, you need to find the area of two shapes. The first one being the area of the semicircle, or half the area of the large circle, and the second one being the area of the small red circle. From these two, you can find the area of the white region by subtracting the area of the semicircle with the area of the small red circle. To find the area of these two shapes, first we need to find the radius of each of them. From the question, we know that AP is equal to 14 cm. Hence, we can note that the radius of the semicircle is actually 7 cm. Furthermore, we can see that the radius of the semicircle is actually equal to the diameter of the small red circle. From this, we can know that the radius of the small red circle is actually 3.5 cm. Since we found the radius of both shapes, we can now find their area. The area of the semicircle is half times pi times 7 to the power of 2, while the area of the small red circle is pi times 3.5 to the power of 2. Substituting pi with 22/7, we can cross the 7 in the area of the semicircle to simplify the equation, and we can also cross the 7 and 3.5 into 2 and 1 respectively in the area of the small red circle. Consequently, now the area of the white region is equal to 22 times 7/2 minus 22 times 3.5/2. By calculation, we found that the area of the semicircle is 77 and the area of the small red circle is 38.5. Finally, 77 minus 38.5 is equal to 38.5 cm squared. Thank you for watching this video.
Come and join IMAGO, International Mathematical Advanced Geometry Olympiad. This competition will be held on March 26, 2022, online, in bilingual format of English and Indonesian language. Contact the competition committee through WhatsApp before 22nd of March to register.